What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now, I do have a bunch of videos backed up right now, so you're probably not going to see this for a few weeks, but the Bills did just lose. That sucked. That hurt to watch. So to make up for it, we're going to be throwing a mod on one of my 6 cars today, and let's go see what we got. Now, there's actually a couple different parts that we could install today. So once again, we're going to go ahead and whip out the random number generator here and see what we're going to do. So we're going to be going between 1 and 2, and going with number 1. Now, in this box here, we have a crazy new mod for my E92 335 that's under the cover there. And we have some brand new carbon fiber kidney grills. And these things look freaking sick, dude. I'm super excited to throw these on. It was actually really hard to find these. I think I ended up finding these on eBay, if I'm to be honest. And I think they were like 300 bucks or something. The quality is great. I'm super stoked on these. Now, my F30 has a set of these as well from Keys Motorsports. And as you can see, they make the car just look so much better, dude. I absolutely love this mod. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and throw these things on. Now, it's a pretty straightforward install. There's just some clips on the inside that we got to pop off to pull these things out, and then they should go in super easy. I want to fully remove the car cover because it is supposed to snow today, but man, these F80 wheels just look so good. Also, if you watched last week's video, you would have seen me just installed this crazy new forged carbon steering wheel to match the forged carbon front lip on the car. And this thing turned out absolutely crazy. The install went super well, and it just looks so freaking good on the inside of this car. Definitely one of my favorite mods I've ever done. And well, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this install. Boys, check these out. These look freaking crazy, bro. Wish it was sunny outside so you guys could see them shine, but they still do look great. And spoiler alert, once we get a carbon hood, these are gonna look insane. Now, this is the first video that I'm filming in the new year. And let me just tell you guys, we have some crazy plans for the car collection this year. And honestly, most of it's gonna change. Now, for starters, a lot of people ask about the 328i and why I even have this thing. And honestly, the simple answer is that was my first car. Like, this is kind of what I grew up with. It's what I got to know driving. So it has a super nostalgic place in my heart. Now, it does actually need a lot of work, so I plan to do a little bit of a rebuild series on this thing. I think it's gonna be super fun. And I think the goal is once I get it running and get it, you know, proper and everything, I'm probably gonna give it to my girlfriend because she needs a car. So yeah, that's super exciting. Next up are the 335 and the F30 way up top there. Now, I love both those cars, and I think those are probably the 2 most modified cars I own. Like, almost every single video is on either one of those 2 cars. And honestly, I think by like, you know, April or May, those builds are gonna be done. I don't think there's gonna be too much more to do to them. Other than a big single turbo on the E92, I don't know when that's going to happen, but that's one thing I really want to do before I sell it. But after that, I think those 2 cars are going to have to say goodbye to the collection. And finally, my B8.5 Audi way over in the corner there. Only made 1 video on that car in the year I've been doing YouTube. So we're going to be saying goodbye to that as well. That one is going to be pretty similarly replaced. I'm not going to say too much more, because that one I kind of want to keep as a little bit of a secret. And then my 2021 5.0 Mustang. I know I don't really make videos on this car, but it's not leaving the collection. This is one of my favorite cars, even though I don't really modify it that much. Unfortunately, I do drive this every single day of the summer, so this is not leaving. And then my detailing van, of course, I don't really do anything with that. I don't even actually have the detailing business running right now. But for the moment, it's a nice place to store all of my detailing stuff, which I do want to keep, because obviously with 6 cars, you need to keep them clean, and it kind of works as a bit of car part storage as well, considering my storage unit is almost full. So yeah, that's the current situation with the cars I do have. Now let's talk about the cars we're gonna get. Now, if we get rid of the 335 and the F30, that's going to be opening a huge spot for a BMW. I think I mentioned it a few different times last year in a couple videos, but I think the plan is to get an M3 or an M4, an F80 or an F82. So that will be super exciting. There's so many different routes we can go with modifying those. I think it's going to be really great for the channel. Now, again, the Audi will be replaced. That's probably going to be the first car that shows up this year, is the replacement for that. Again, I'm I'm not going to say too much for it. And then finally, to join my Mustang here, another American car, I really want a C7 Corvette. Just an absolutely murdered out Corvette is honestly one of my favorite cars in the world. So yeah, I think we're going to try and make that happen for sure. Now, of course, my entire channel is based around all 6 of my cars, but I've realized I kind of want to include a little bit more about my life throughout that, you know, my other interests and stuff. So we've actually got 2 new house mods that I'm going to go show you guys real quick because I'm pretty excited about them. Now, the first one is going to be the sick new toolbox that I just got. For a while, I was literally just rocking this red one, and I mean, it's one of these ones with a little pull-up toolbox thing. Like, it sucks. And I still kind of need it, but man, this thing really came in clutch. Got a couple tools down in the bottom here, and then in the top drawer, we've got just a few more things. Now, I wanted to get one of the big rolling ones, but as you can see, I literally have nowhere to put it, and I already have one over there. But that one is already full, hence why I have these 2 as well. And I actually even keep a bunch of tools in my detailing van. As you can see, we got impacts and heat guns and compressors and everything way back there, a generator. Yeah, I don't know, man. I got a lot of stuff. And then our second new house mod is actually going to be down in the games room here. Now, obviously, I don't sleep in here, but I just have so many freaking clothes that I have to use this as a backup storage room for all of my stuff. Now, we've got a nice little clothing rack here, and then we got my closet for the rest of my clothes, but I don't have anywhere for these extra shoes. All the shoe racks upstairs are full already, so all these have just been living on my couch. And so today, from Amazon, baby, here we have a shoe organizer kit or setup. I don't know what you call this. And I'm oddly excited for this. I'm sure you can tell from the garage and the cars, but I'm a pretty organized person, so I do enjoy stuff like this. I do want to film myself setting it up, but I don't know how to do it on the ground without looking gay in whatever position I'm in, so I'll try my best, but it might get a little weird in here, boys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we've got one done. Kind of gas, dude. Check this out. Bam. That's not bad at all. This was like maybe 60 bucks. I can't remember. There's 9 of them. This is not bad. All right, well, there she is, boys. This is the finished product, and it actually turned out really sick. I think by the end of the year, I'm going to shoot to have another 6, maybe where that skateboard is there. And then I think, as far as I can say, that wall's complete. I think it looks really good. The boxes are a little bit smaller than I thought they were going to be, but they still fit the shoes well, and that's what really matters. The main point is that I'm sick of my cat getting at them anyway, trying to nibble at them and stuff. So, yeah, now I can keep kind of locked away. It keeps the dust off them, too. It's kind of got me in the mood to go buy some shoes, actually. I think we're going to go to the mall and see if we can find a nice pair. We'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want to see done to the collection. I have tons of video ideas for this year. We're still growing slowly. A lot of my videos aren't really doing that great right now, but it is what it is. I'm not losing motivation. I'm just going to keep pumping them out. And yeah, for the people that do stick around and watch all the videos I make, there are a few of you. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. And if you guys have any other ideas of what I should do, please let me know. I'm open to anything. Obviously, right now, we're not really driving the cars much because it's winter and it's cold and there's not really that much to do. But this summer, we're going to have so many driving videos. We're going to have so many performance mods. We're going to test them out. It's going to be super, super sick. So, yeah, I hope I can see you guys there, and I hope everybody enjoys it. And, yeah, with that being said, I think that's probably going to wrap up this video. So, if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, comment W down below if you made it to the end of the video. And I think with that being said, have a good day. Peace.